Understanding idioms. Eats like a bird. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of idioms, specifically the phrase, eats like a bird. This idiom is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Before we delve into our specific phrase, let's understand what an idiom is. An idiom is a phrase or an expression that has a figurative meaning, which is different from its literal meaning. These phrases add color and vividness to language but can be confusing for learners because their meanings are not immediately apparent. Idioms are used frequently in all languages, and English is no exception. Now, let's focus on the idiom, eats like a bird. At first glance, you might think it literally refers to how birds eat. However, this idiom actually means that someone eats very little or has a small appetite. It's often used to describe someone who picks at their food or eats sparingly. The comparison to a bird highlights the small quantities of food that birds consume at a time. To better understand how to use eats like a bird, let's look at some examples. 1. My sister eats like a bird. She's never been much of an eater. 2. During the dinner party, I noticed that Jane eats like a bird. She barely touched her food. In these sentences, the phrase is used to describe someone's eating habits in a descriptive and somewhat playful manner. It's important to note that idioms can carry different connotations in different cultures. In some cultures, eating small amounts may be seen positively, while in others, it might be viewed differently. When using idioms like eats like a bird, be mindful of the cultural context and the conversation's tone. That wraps up our exploration of the idiom, eats like a bird. Remember, idioms are a great way to add flavor to your language and can be quite fun once you get the hang of them. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're a bit more confident in using this charming expression in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.